right? And our fruits. So the actual word for fruit, it is a cognate, la fruit. The word for apple is la pomme. So like in the vegetables video, you saw la pomme de terre, the apple of the earth, which is in France the potato. So an apple is therefore the first chunk of that, la pomme. A peach, la pêche. La pêche. A strawberry is la fraise. La fraise. So remember that S in between two vowels is going to make a Z sound. La fraise. You can actually see this on a lot of strawberry containers here in the United States because we import most of our strawberries from Canada. La fraise. An apricot, okay, in French is l'abricot. L'abricot. It is a masculine word, un abricot. A cherry is la cerise. La cerise. So again, we have that Z sound since we have an S in between two vowels. La cerise. Very, very, very common flavoring in France. They really like their cherries. An orange, super easy. Hopefully you remember it. L'orange. It is feminine, une orange. Raspberry, also an extremely common flavor in France. La framboise. Again, an S in between two vowels. You make a Z sound. La framboise. Watermelon is la pastèque. La pastèque. And then finally, melon. So this is one of the very few words where the French are less precise with their vocabulary than we are. Any other form of melon that is not a watermelon. So the two most common are, of course, cantaloupe and honeydew. In France, they're all considered to be le melon. There's not a separate word for cantaloupe or a separate word for honeydew or a separate word for bitter melon or any of the other ones out there. They're all le melon.